everyone, I'm Sarah and this is Budgetsew, where we create stylish, fashionable looks as inexpensively as possible. Today I'm going to show you how to add a decorative element to a t-shirt. This is a quick and easy DIY to change the look and feel of a garment. Now, this is a t-shirt before. This is a Lord & Taylor t-shirt that I bought 5 years ago from the Hudson's Bay Company. I love the bright blue color. It's 65% polyester and 35% rayon and has maintained its shape and color despite the many washes over the years. I haven't worn this t-shirt lately, so it was due for a change-up. I found the idea to add a decorative trim to a garment from my mom's Simplicity sewing book that was published in 1975. It says, "Liberate your clothes as you have your lifestyle with completely personalized creative touches. Whether it's town or country fashion, the look is natural, free, and fun for every member of the family." The book suggests adding lace to a blouse to make it your own, just like right here. It says, "Bands of lace add a frothy touch to this beautiful blouse of embroidered organza. Just top stitch the bands to the bodice front and sleeves." The first thing I did was rummage through my hat box full of trims and laces to find the right decorative element for my shirt. That's some pretty purple lace that I bought from Mission thrift stores for 50 cents, some gold bands of sequins and gold cording from Fabricland that was left over from a Wonder Woman costume that I made, a bunch of gorgeous laces that I bought from a thrift shop called My Neighbor's Closet, which has since been renamed Renew Community Store. That's some black fringe trim that was left over from a flapper costume that I made. The link to the completed costume is at the top of the screen. That's a bag of elastic. That's some lovely black lace from My Neighbor's Closet. I love the wide brown lace, but it's not right for this project. Wait, what's this? I'm going to use this white gathered lace that I bought in a basket full of laces from My Neighbor's Closet. It's perfect! Before I continue with the t-shirt sewing project, please share this video with your friends and family. I'd love to help others sew and refashion on a budget and troubleshoot their favorite patterns. I also love sharing the treasures that I find at thrift shops. If you'd like to see more from Budgetsew, please subscribe and make sure that the bell is on so you receive a notification when I release a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at Budgetsew. Now, back to the DIY. My next step was to position the lace on the t-shirt. I started by adding some to the edge of the pocket. There are different ways to make a garment uniquely yours. Another recommendation from the Simplicity sewing book was zigzag top stitching. It works as a decorative finish for faced edges, particularly when combined with the fast and easy ripple hem on soft knits. The book said, "The hostess appears in a two-piece knit dress. To leave more time for party plans, the edges and hems are quick stitched with zigzagging." Then I added lace to the neckline of the t-shirt. I started at one shoulder and worked my way around the top. I also added lace to the sleeves. The Simplicity sewing book had some ideas for on the town. It said, "Nighttime looks will shimmer and shine with these extra touches. Choose your favorite jacket for that special evening or make them all switchable for glamour looks." The first top is lace, ostrich feathers, and satin, the ultimate evening elegance. Carefully placed thread chains and snaps make the feather removable for cleaning. Then there's tailored glitter makes news in a silvery knit duo. To achieve this look, border the sparkling jacket with a flexible black knit braid. It's stunning. Then I sewed the lace to the t-shirt. Other ways to add distinctive details to garments include embroidery, applique, quilting, smocking, patchwork, and more. I'll save these other ways for future videos. In a previous video, I added 3 white heart appliques to a red sweater to change up the look. The link to the video with that top is at the top of the screen. I used white Coats & Clark all-purpose dual-duty thread that I bought from Value Village thrift store. Usually I don't use secondhand thread to sew my garments, but this thread was in a big bag of brand new thread for $1.99. I think that there were 20 spools of black and white Coats & Clark thread in the bag, so it was quite a steal. This thread was very strong and newer than some of the thread in my sewing box. Here is the finished top. The look, I'm wearing a blue dahlia blazer that I bought from Value Village thrift store for $9.99. The brooch was a Christmas gift from my partner Brad. I bought the pearl and gold earrings from the Salvation Army charity store, and my Hanes Her Way shoes are from Value Village. I hope you took a good look at the jeans that I'm wearing. They're the skinny jeans from the before shot. I refashioned my Reitman skinny jeans that I bought from Value Village thrift stores using the same technique that I showed you in my Goodbye Skinny Jeans Hello Flares video, where I cut up another pair of jeans for this upcycle. The link to that video is right here at the top of the screen. I hope you enjoyed how I added a decorative element to a t-shirt. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you'd like to see more from Budgetsew, please subscribe. And if you'd like to stay up to date with Budgetsew, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at Budgetsew. Thanks for watching. See you next time.